You are now ready for this.
Down.
This edit looks like it was made by an After Effects tutor. But guess what? It was 100% made on Alight Motion. And today I am giving away the Montagem Alquimia preset that made on Alight Motion completely free. Just hit 250 likes and I will drop the preset.